What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to be whipping up a nice little easy, cheap one skillet meal. Hot dogs and potatoes. Sounds crazy, but you'd expect nothing less from the best. So, let's get rolling, buddy. Yeah. That's right, buddy. Hot dogs and potatoes. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, have you gone mad, man? Well, possibly. But that's not the point. The point of it is, money is tight. And I think money is tight for everybody. I gotta tell you, me, myself, I feel like MC Hammer at tax time. So, it's not good. But this here is a meal that you can make. It's easy to make because it's all in one skillet. And cheapo. I actually had none of this in the house except for the oil. And I got all these ingredients for under $10. And I even bought myself a Coca-Cola, which I'll enjoy for dessert because right now we're having that. Oh, yeah. So let me have some of this real quick. Woo, that'll get the engine started. So let's rev into gear and get with our thing here. Now, first thing that you got to do, get you some hot dogs. Today, I just went ahead and got them Bar S hot dogs, the old cheapo brand. This ain't no Armor hot dog, Dan Connor. Now, take your hot dogs and cut them up. And you know, I've seen this recipe done before. I've actually done it before myself, where you use a ring sausage or something like that. But today, hot dog a little cheaper. We're going to use hot dog. And once you get it in there with all the flavor, it'll be good, baby. So, get your hot dogs cut up. Next, let's move along to that green pepper. Now, you could do red, you could do yellow, you could even mess around and do jalapeno if you want to set the fire down below like, like Steven Seagal, if you know what I'm talking about. But I don't want to do that. So, I stuck with the green, and that's because the green is the cheapest of all the peppers, at least in my store over there. So, went ahead and cut up my green pepper. Next thing that you got to do, get you an onion, buddy, that good smelling stuff. Say to yourself, like, oh, well, what color onion would you take? Well, you know me at all, buddy. You know that I would go ahead and get myself that old yellow, that good. Because to me, if you're frying anything, that yellow is delicious. Now, let's go ahead and take our Mr. Potato Head, and I'm talking about just smoked potatoes. I don't peel mine when I fry. If you want to, that's fine, but you know me, buddy. I can tell you that shit's off. I went ahead and just left the skin on the outside. Make sure that you wash it good. You don't want none of that dirt in there, Alice in Chains. You want that good. So, wash the outside, chop up your potatoes. Finally, today I just used 6. I got a bag of potatoes. That's the other thing about potatoes, man. If you're in a pinch and you need something to eat, a bag of potatoes is a lifesaver because you could do mashed potatoes, you could do baked potatoes, you could do homemade fries. This is what I'm doing here. And so I'm using 6, and that'll give me some more for, tomorrow night's supper. Now, get your potatoes cut. Everything is cut and looking good like me and Schwarzenegger. So, we're going to go ahead and put it all in the deal now. First thing that you got to do before you put it in the deal, get you some oil. And I did have a little bit of oil at the house, kind of saved on the price, but even still, bottle of oil is like $2. And you know what? If you ain't got no oil, the hell with it, buddy. Because I've done it with butter. I've done it with fat. If you got a little bacon grease or something, man, you can make the magic happen, boy. So, now, put that grease in there, whatever you got. We're going to get it hot to trot, like Big Daddy. Then, I want you to go ahead and dump in your potatoes, your peppers, and your onions. Hold off on them hot dogs, buddy boy. Hold off, because the potatoes are going to take a little while to cook, and you don't want to burn the bottom of the hot dogs, baby. So, we will wait till a little while. Let your potatoes cook down. We're going to give them some good seasoning, baby, so they got that good flavor. I started off, of course, with some Morton salt. This is what I had in the house. Then, I went ahead and got me some lemon pepper to give it a little zest, baby. Just some spice of life. Make it good. Then, I went on to the black pepper, too, as I usually do. And finally, worked my way down to that Cavender's Greek seasoning. That's some good stuff, and I think I just used the last of it too, so snap. So I'll have to go do some more. So, I mean, you can season this thing any way that you want to, man. It's not up to me. It's up to you. You want cooking it, you make it how you like, but me, this is what I do with what I do. So, once you got all that stirred up, everything looks good, your potatoes, we're going to take a fork and we're going to poke down in there and say, "Sir, are you ready to go? Because it's almost time. I'm starving." And once they get a little soft, we're ready to put them hot dogs in there, and you can say hot dogs, peanuts, Cracker Jacks, if you have the old ball game. And it won't take very long once the hot dogs get dumped. I could say maybe 3 or 4 more minutes because hot dog's already pre-cooked. You know about that. You know what hot dog is, buddy. So get all that done. Gonna be a beautiful thing, and I think it's gonna be time for us to take a beautiful sight and a big old beautiful bite of this hot dog and potatoes, or whatever you want to call it, an easy one, skillet meal, old cheapo meal, bum ass deliciousness. I don't know. Call it what you want, but we about to have a bite of it and a sight of it and a delight of it, the night of it. So. Alright, baby, the time has come. The hot dogs and potatoes are done, and I'm having that first bite for me. So, let's try to get a little piece of everything in one bite here because I get to have all the exquisite flavors. Wonderful stuff, you know, hot dog. Look good. Smell good. Better go be good. Hot. Hot. Ooh, real. Hot. But worth the burn, baby. Ooh. That's delicious, man. And like I said, less than $10. I made this, and that'll feed me and a couple more people. You know, I'm an awful big man, but we'll have some left, you know. That's a good budget meal. It's easy to cook. You're not messing up a whole lot of dishes. You got the one skillet there making it all happen for you. And just a wonderful meal, baby. And I want to thank all of you wonderful people for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Olive. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you don't mind, it's been nice having you, but I'm going to need you to get on somewhere because me and this thing, we about to have a special night, if you know what I'm talking about. So, I'll see you soon, boy.